We're going to draw the horn of a buzzer. It's a trapezoid with unspecified dimensions. The only important thing is symmetry. Use the grid to start both lines the same distance from the bottom and top of the rectangle. Draw the vertical line to close the trapezoid. Verify symmetry by moving the crosshair in the centre of the short vertical edge. This shows the upper part is not tall enough. Grab and move the top side line ends one grid unit up. While there, use the crosshair to notice how this endpoint lines up with the top side of the rectangle. Move the crosshair down to the bottom corner to verify the bottom corner lines up with the bottom edge the same way. One final check with crosshair in the middle. The lines are all symmetric.